To combat smuggling of animals and to prevent the introduction of animal diseases into Hong Kong, we need Afcd quarantine detector dogs.
I'm Archie.
I'm Rosie.
I'm Sally.
More than 300,000 people enter Hong Kong via land, sea or air every day. In order to combat the smuggling of quarantine items and the introduction of animal diseases, a quarantine detector dog program was established in early 2008. The use of quarantine detector dogs has been internationally recognized as an effective tool for detecting and preventing the smuggling of animals and quarantine items. The dogs are trained to detect mammals, birds, reptiles and animal products, for example, crocodile meat, even when they are concealed in baggage or under several layers of clothing. In order to protect public health, they are responsible for preventing the smuggling of animals and introduction of animal diseases.
The rigorous training process teaches us to put our excellent sense of smell to good use. Our handlers are trained with us.
Our intensive training takes place at the Afcd Operations Centre. It's our home too.
If we find animals and quarantine items, our handlers will praise us and keep us motivated.
We perform our duties with the Afcd officers by conducting quarantine inspections at various boundary control points.
Please be patient and walk at a steady pace, allowing the dogs to work. If the dogs sniff you or your baggage, just relax and follow the instructions of the Afcd and customs officers.
People who import animals into Hong Kong are required to apply for a permit and health certificate in advance.
If we suspect there are animals and quarantine items in your luggage, we will sit beside you and you may be required to give a detailed declaration and present your belongings to customs officers for further examination. Offenders may be liable to a fine and imprisonment.
Not only is it illegal to import smuggled animals and quarantine items without permits, but it can endanger public health by potentially introducing diseases such as rabies or avian influenza to Hong Kong.
These dogs are safeguarding Hong Kong from disease.